Hey, if you want to share your YouTube application to your TV on the Android device, all you have to do is to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on your phone. So that's how it looks in my case. And to the same network, you have to be also connected on your TV. Next, you have to turn on your TV and for sure turn on the YouTube application. Then click on this button right here. And now just wait until your YouTube application find your TV, and after that just simply click on the name of your TV that will appear right here. And on your TV with the remote control you have to confirm that you actually want to connect with this phone. You can also use the link with TV code, so on your TV you can actually open the YouTube application, go into the link with a smartphone, and now from your TV you have to input this code, enter TV code right here, and it will be correct. You will be able to click on the link button. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.